So I just heard the driver leave, and look what is at my door. Let's take a look. Look at what look at what I'm getting ready to drive in. I can't even see the road. Let's look. But let's see what our package is. And it is a Trendsend. No, Evereve Trendsend. All right, guys. It looks like he tucked it behind the shovels and things like that. But I still want to show you what I've got a view of today. Wow. Check out my view. And it's supposed to snow all day. We're getting about an inch per hour of snow up here in northern Michigan, out in the middle of nowhere. All right, hang on. Hey everyone, we're in my car and it is a blizzard out here. So I grabbed this box, I put it in the car, and I thought I'm just going to do an unboxing in the car because if you'll look at my previous videos, I have done video after video of unboxings. And so I'm going to do this Trendsend, this Evereve Trendsend. As you can see you see it here? In this box. So we're going to do this in the car today and take a look and see what they sent me. And it looks like I've got 3 bundles here. What they do is they will send you quite a few things. Let me slide my seat back a little so I can show it to you. And let's put this down. They try to put complete outfits together for you. And this is going to be a hodgepodge, you guys, because I've got about 5 inches of snow out here, and I've got to drive in this in a second to go get somebody. So if you'll notice, I have a Sherpa on. This is from Sundance, and this thing is so nice and warm. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Very warm. So this is what I'm wearing today to keep the snow off of me. All right, well, let's tear these bundles open and let's see what they sent me really quick. And they did send me a preview, and I didn't know if I was going to like any of it. First item is it's by Evereve. It's one of their shirts for $58, their own brand. I like the little sleeve. It's kind of but I am not a stripe person. I don't like stripes. So I'm not sure about that. We'll have to see. The next is a little Z Supply jacket, and it's a small. It's $129. And I have so many little black jackets. Oh, this is the last thing I need. But what I do like about this is it has a drawstring of it, which makes it a little bit unique. But I like hoods, and I don't think, does this have a hood that zips in here? Yes, it does. There is some type of a little hood that zips into this cap. So it's very thin. It's not something that you would want to go skiing in. It's a little quilted jacket. Okay, it's $158. The next is like a parachute material. Very thin, not for winter up here. This is by a company. This is Evereve's brand. These are little cargo pants. They're $118, black, size small. It has a little emblem right there, and it is cuffed at the bottom, little elastic cuff. And they are cute. I'll have to try these on. In the back, there are 2 little slit pockets, and it's a drawstring front. But, you know, have you looked out my window here? I can't wear these up here, but maybe for spring. We gotta think of spring. But you know, when I think spring, I think dark, not black. I think spring colors. So I'm kind of like, I don't know. And then of course they send me my little sheets to show me how to style these. I have another bundle here, and it's a smaller one. There's 3 bundles altogether. So here's the next one. It's all sealed up so pretty. Alright, let's see what this is. This reminds me, and I know that right now this color is really big, but every time I look at a pumpkin colored, I think of fall, and I can't get around it. It's got really cool sleeves. I might fall in love with this, but I'm telling you, I don't like collars like this. I want something different. And it's just a, and some people like the rounded collar. It's kind of at the bottom. You can see it's rounded at the bottom. I don't believe it's a high-low at all. And then they sent me, oh, let me tell you how much that shirt is. Let's see how much it is. $58 if you want this. $58. So if you want this shirt, and this looks a little more springy, the Rolling Stones, and I love the Stones, $84 for this t-shirt. I'm sorry, but I don't think I've ever paid $84 for a cotton t-shirt in my life. And when I was about 12, when the Stones were really big, I had a really cool shirt like this with the tongue out like this on the Rolling Stones, and I paid $12 for it. Now I know back in those days I got it at the gold mine, and I know that was a lot of money back in those days, and maybe I should justify it, but I can't justify this. It's just a cotton t-shirt, and it says Tucson, Arizona on a Friday night, which is everybody's dream, to go to see the Stones. But no, thank you. I don't like that t-shirt. It's gray. It's not very pretty. Third bundle. And I'm striking out here, you guys. I may have to talk to them and clarify what I'm needing. This is a one-piece. It's a jumpsuit. And it's very thick. Very thick material. Here's the sleeve. Let me show you the waist. Now, I'm a diabetic, and I don't know about you guys. It's got a, let's look at the waist here. It's got a drawstring waist. Can you see that? I hope you can in the car. And then down here, there's no pockets on the back of it. At the bottom, when you get down here, it's cuffed at the bottom. No, I might try it on. I might love this. But as a diabetic, it's like, where do I put my pump? Where do I stick this at? Unless I cut a hole in a pocket or something. What am I supposed to do with this? I'm not in love with the color. I love black, but I'm looking for spring right now, I guess. I guess maybe that's why I'm just not in love with this. So I need to clarify with everybody what I'm hunting for. And I know it's kind of early to transition. I know that. So don't everybody give me a hassle on it, because I think I've just got spring fever and I want to wear some fun colors. So, all right, well, we are going to stop for now, and I'm going to try to drive in this mess. And I may add a little clip on here. We've got about maybe 5 inches of snow. I did another video when we had about 4 inches of snow right before I left and got in this car. It's just gonna be I don't know, a really, really snowy day, maybe up to 8 inches, but that's normal up here in northern Michigan. So hang in there, you guys, and I'll probably end up sending this whole box back. I can't lie. I have enough clothes, and I don't see a piece in here that just like, wow, I really like that. I don't see it, and I don't care if I love something. I really don't care if I have to spend a little more for it, but I've got to love it. That, you know, it's got to be something kind of cool. So anyway, we'll sign off for right now. Please subscribe to me and stay out of the snow, stay warm, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody. Have fun. Beautiful, isn't it? See you guys soon. Bye-bye.